Hello student, welcome to the file handling tutorial class from the Amit Gupta sir, part 2. In this video, we have learned about the read and write function in a Python, how to read a specific bytes of data from the file and how to write data into the text file with the help of Python codes. That we use read method with a size parameter. That means size parameter are given with the read function and specified, that is a number of bytes, how many bytes we have to given to the file. That means read function is used to read the entire text from the text file, but we have to use a size option, that is a optional, that is used as a single bytes or characters from a file. Now we are coming with a example. Here is a syntax: file object dots read and size. Here a capital, square bracket shows here, square bracket shows here a size is optional with the read. If we don't use a size with the read function, we can read the entire text from the file, but if we give the size with a function, that means in this following example, x is equal to read, f dot read 1, is it clear? And 1 is a 1 byte. That means f1 function read the single bytes or character from a file and it's assigned to a x. Is that clear? Now that is, in text file we have write a Python, they introduce a 1 byte data from the file. Now our next part of the tutorial video, writing into the file, a most important. हाँ, सबसे बड़ी बात है कि जब हमने फाइल में कुछ लिखा ही नहीं है तो फाइल में से रीड कैसे करेंगे. दैट मीन्स इफ यू डोंट राइट एनी टेक्स्ट इन अ फाइल, हाउ टू रीड देम. सो rewriting of the file is the most important part of the this programming, this file handling. Okay, so how to write data in a file? We use, that means a program write into a text file, that is from hard disk. Hard disk is a memory. Write Python program, read text from the memory and write to the file, that is writing method. We use two methods for writing text into the file. First is write method and second is write line method. Now student, I think you have more learn about the write and write line function. Okay, now write method from to sending data into the file, that means to create a new file we use a write and write method. That write methods takes a string as a parameter and write it into the file. For storing data with end of line character, we use a escape sequence new line character. That here slash n is a new line character. That means if we want to mm, add a new line in a separate line, that means we use a slash n of with our text. Now in example, in this line we open a student.txt with write mode in my file. That means my file is a file object, student.txt is a text file and w is a write mode. For I in range 3, That means this loop takes three names and it store into the file. For storing data, we use a write function with a file pointer. Is that clear? Here is a write is a function name and my file is a file object. Why we use a two lines for the function? First line, first line write the name string, that means string store in a name variable, store write into the file. Then after second line of the write function, produce put a new line character into the our text. Now after that, file dot close, this function is used to close the file. Why we need a closing a file? Closing a file is required to proper functioning of the file. If you not closing, that is not necessary to close a file, but in case if you would use a large application and you don't close a text our file, they can be uh, this file can be alterated or error in your file. Okay. Now then after, here in a following output we you input a three string Raka, Sakal and Gabbar, and data are successfully write into the file. Then after, now okay, if we give if we open a directory, our of Python file, we found a student.txt file, and this file easily open in a notepad. And when we open this, when we open this file in a notepad, we are see that Raka, Sakal and Gabbar data puts on the following text file. So our data file are successfully created. Okay, that means this function, that means we use a write function to write data into the Python file. Another, write using w mode. Okay, if we want to add new data without overriding the previous content, then we should write using a mode, that is append mode. There, this point is very important, because if we open any file or any existing file with a w mode, that means python always create a new text file. That means a previous data of the written in the following file are overwritten by the new file. Okay, that means we can say that old data are deleted from the your existing text file and new blank file are created. So if we want to add a data in our file, we use a mode, that is a append mode. Okay, now same here, append mode, a mode is used to write data into the following file. Now next is a write line method. Okay, writing string at a time, we use write method. It cannot be used for writing a list, tuple, etc. into the file. That means if we want to put a write sequence into the file, that means sequence data type, that we use a write line. Write line method in the file. It not that we can write a string using write line method. Same here, output is same, but syntax is different. We use a sequence as a parameter in a write line function. Now example, same file text2.txt file open with write mode. Str is a variable with a string hello words. This is my first file handling program. I am using a Python language. Now this is a string with a multiple lines. Now if we want to write this data into the our text file, we use a write line method. So f dot write line string str is a sequence of string. Now this string are write into the text2 dot txt. Same here. If we want to input a different types of data, you know, bno, we create a book.txt file in append mode. Bno, bname, author, price, that this are data input in form of string, and brec registration, str, book number, book name are concurrent with a strings and write into the file. Okay. If, and this creates a looping infinite loop for the inputting our data. Now we input our data, and this data are written in the form of sequence in our text file. This is possible with the help of write function. Okay. Example, copy the content of one file to another file. Here is a program to copy the, here we use some example with the write function and read function. We use my file one as a read function, read mode, and my book backup.txt use as a write mode. We write the data from the book backups and read into the read data from the book test.txt and write into the book backup. Now, while str1 is a blank, is a flag variable, जब तक कि यहाँ पर जब तक str1 की वैल्यू ट्रू मिलती है, यानी उसको वैल्यू मिलती है, तब तक वो क्या करता रहेगा, ये चलता रहेगा. जैसे उसको वेरिएबल वैल्यू नहीं मिलेगी, वो कंडीशन फॉल्स हो जाएगी. str1 में हमने रीड लाइन करा, उसने क्या किया, एक लाइन रीड करी, ठीक है, उस रीड लाइन को क्या किया, फाइल टू के ऑब्जेक्ट के थ्रू राइट कर दिया. ये तब तक चलता रहा जब तक कि वो फाइल को रीड करता रहा और वो फाइल उसमें राइट होती रही. उसके बाद दोनों फाइलों को, देन आफ्टर क्लोजिंग द बोथ ऑफ द फाइल एंड डेटा सक्सेसफुली copied into the one file to another file. So in this video we learn about the how to read data in the form of bytes and also write data into the file with the help of write and write line function. Thank you, student.